Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos. Today, I'm gonna show you how to download Telegram in your laptop or PC. Now first up, search Telegram in Google. Searching the Telegram, then Google will suggest several links. But all you have to click is the first option, which is Telegram Messenger. Select that one, and here you'll be routed in Telegram website. Now, how do we download Telegram in laptop? So, you need to check first the links below. Scroll down a bit, and here there are four options for you to download Telegram. The first two options right here are for Android or for iPhone. So these are only applicable for cell phones. Now, since we will be downloading the Telegram in our laptop or PC, now we need to select the two options right here. It's either the two options right here. So you need to know as well if what is your operating system. If your operating system is for PC or Linux, then you should select this option right here. But if your PC is Apple or Mac OS, then you need to select this option. But since my operating system is for PC or Linux, then I need to select this first option. After that one, here, you will be routed on this page, Telegram Desktop. So the next step you need to select is the Get Telegram for Windows. After clicking that one, it will be automatically downloaded on your web browser. After downloading Telegram in your web browser, you need to select the downloaded file in order for it to be installed on your laptop. And here, it will ask for a specific language you prefer. Now let's try to use English. You need to select OK right after. And on this part, you need to set up or select a specific folder where you wanted the Telegram to be saved. And then click Next right after. And then, if you want to change the name for your Telegram, you can also change it here. Then select Next right after. And if you want the Telegram to be created or displayed on your desktop, then you can also easily select this one. Or if not, then unselect that one. Click Next right after. And here, click Install for the Telegram to be installed on your laptop. Let's wait for a bit since the process is already installing your Telegram. Alright, right here. Here, this is how you download Telegram in your laptop or PC. I hope this video helped you. See you on my next video. Bye for now.